everybody. This is Steve Conley, the owner of Environmental Automotive in Millersville, Maryland. I hope everybody's staying safe, staying healthy, practicing the CDC guidelines so we can get this virus out of here as soon as possible. We are open for business Monday through Friday, and we are an essential business. Obviously, that's why we're open, to help keep everybody on the road. So our techs are here. They're qualified to work on just about every car on this road out here, and they do. And I got a COVID tip for you this week, something that we might not be thinking about. I know we talk about wearing our gloves and using our hand sanitizer and using our Lysol, which we do on every car that we work on, plus wipe the handles down, the steering wheel down, the gear shifter down. But one of the tip I want to talk to you about this week is something that we probably don't think about. The weather's been kind of cold at nighttime, and what we run into is the critters, the rodents. And what they like to do is they like to find a home in your car. And since we have this COVID right now, and when there's the mileage right now, people on the road is like 50% less. There's 50% or more drivers that they're just not on the roads right now. And what happens is the car sits on the driveway or on the road, and what they do is they find a home in that car and they make a nest. And when they make a nest, they get hungry and they start chewing. And this is a connector right here for a sensor. And they get in there and they start chewing on the wires. Sometimes because they like the taste of the casing of the wire. Now there's some cars out there, fuel lines too, that kind of make it so that the varmints won't chew on it. They have some type of soy base in them, whatever. So anyway, what I'd like you to know is that there is some things that you can do to prevent them from chewing on your sensors and your wires. One of the things I recommend is use some kind of rodent repellent. Now this particular rodent repellent right here, you can find on Amazon, and it's really inexpensive, or in your local store. And what you want to do is take some of these packs, pop your front hood, and put them in each corner of the front of your car. And then maybe put one or two in your trunk, and then maybe one or two underneath your car. Now the other thing is, since your car might be sitting because you're working at home, or you just can't go back to work yet, is move your car once in a while. Drive it down the street, park it in a different spot. Let's make sure, for one, that your vehicle is still working and it's still running. And two, it's good for the car to start it up and let it recharge the battery every once in a while. And three, it helps these rodents from chewing on your sensors and the wires and whatever else they want to chew on, because I've seen some cars come in here and they've created a lot of damage. You have a lot, you have computers in there that they can short, harnesses that are extremely expensive that can't be repaired. So that's my COVID tip for this week. I hope it helps. I hope you don't have this issue. But if you do, give us a call, 410-987-5546. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you very much.